All right, I got some new bearings for the blade guide. Picked those up at Grainger. Heading down to the sawmill. I got I think a small white oak and a bigger red oak. All right, let me get the new bearing put on. Get this show on the road. All right, this week I had to go to Grainger. I ordered some bearings through them for the guide here. So the one I had wore right out, the sealed bearing. The seals wore out, so I guess some of the bearings came right out of it. But I bought 10 of them. That's the bearing right there. So that's just that little bearing. It runs horizontal like this behind the blade. So when you're pushing the blade through the lumber, the back of the blade runs on that bearing. Here's the old one right here, and you can see the grooves. And then this one actually stopped for a little while and got eaten up. That other one's frozen too. Let me bring you over there, show you what I'm looking at. So the bearing I'm replacing goes right inside there, just like this one. And you can see this one won't even spin. It's frozen. So the back of the blade's been running on that pretty hard. Oh, got one washer on the bottom, maybe two on top. I'll take that one out too. Got some thread lock for the bolt that holds it on there. 5/16 Allen wrench to take out the bolt on the bottom. So this bearing right here, you can see maybe how deep that cut right into it. That blade was cutting right into that bearing. It stopped spinning because basically came apart. These are the washers. This is the part that seals the bearing. But here's the bearing right here. And both the seals will wore right out of it. And it won't spin because there's a little cage inside that holds the bearings. There's a cage that holds the bearings spaced out, and that cage is destroyed, so it's just stuck. Well, that's why I got 10 of them. And I bought the ones that Woodland Mills recommends. They told me the bearing was 6002 RS. And I looked them up and didn't realize it was 6000-2 RS. It says deep groove ball bearing. Whatever that means. I'll have to look that up. Protect them a little bit with some Vaseline. Can't hurt, right? A little thread lock on there. Oh yeah, that works much better. All right, I'll get the new bearing installed. Ooh. Put one on both sides. Ooh, this one's not touching, so it's not spinning, but you can see it spins pretty easy. All right, we got those two bearings on there. This sawmill should be a lot quieter. Let's see how it goes. All right, so the barren on this side, you can see a witness mark from where the blade's touching it, that line. So that's good, it's right there. The witness mark on this side's at the top of the barren. So what I'm going to do is take a washer off the top of the barren so it goes up a little bit. All right, back in business.
Alright, replacing those barrens made a big difference in the saw's performance. It sounded much happier going through the cuts. And before I go inside, I'll give you a good look at the inside of this log. Thanks for watching.